What if you could translate ideas into mathematical solutions and then seamlessly turn them into powerful web apps without ever leaving your favorite analytics language? Introducing Simian, bringing low-code web front-end development to business engineers directly in their analytics language of choice, Python, Matlab, or Julia. Say goodbye to the hassle of learning web technology and custom API specifications. Access a rich ecosystem of proven UI modules without the need for UI languages like JS, HTML, or CSS. Quickly put together the basics of a solution with a minimum of coding effort, and publish work in progress to engage business end users early in the process. Integrate with LDAP or Azure AD to ensure the security of your apps. You can host Simian apps on any platform with a REST interface, such as Fast API and Azure Functions. Business end users have authorized and authenticated web app access from Simian portal. IT owns the infrastructure, the business developers own the functionality, and Simian takes care of the tech. Simian, bridging the gap between technical domain expertise and application development.